Hi, baby Sarah. Hi. Sarah is 6 months old in 1 week. Hi. Hi, pretty girl. Are you bouncing? Gabriel's 3.5. And Maddox is 1.5. Yes, you may have another waffle. Sarah! You want 2 more waffles? Okay. Let's see if we can get Sarah to bounce.
I want one hot one and another hot one.
2 hot waffles? I think we can probably do that.
Yeah.
Who's coming tonight?
Jessica.
Yeah.
Poke.
Poke. Poke.
Cheek.
Cheech. Pink. Pink, pink, pink.
Pink, pink,
Okay.
pink. That one's Sarah. Dash. Anita.
Hi, pretty girl. Hi, pretty girl. What you doing, little man? Are you a bumblebee? It broke. Uh-oh. Better eat it. No, I do not normally let my children walk around eating breakfast in the living room, but it's a Friday. What can I say? Boo, Maddox. Boo. Is that better? Let me cut your tag off. Okay. Say hi to the camera.
Hi! Hi.
Can you do a happy dance, Maddox? Happy dance, happy dance, yay! Gabriel's doing a happy dance. Come on, Maddox, happy dance. Happy dance. Yay! Whoa! Wipe out. Hey, that's just like Elmo's favorite dance, huh?